Humans love explanations. We want reasons, causes, fixes. But this penguin destroyed all of that. It wasn't sick. It wasn't attacked. It wasn't confused. It simply walked away. Werner Herzog said this moment terrified him because it showed something humans hate to accept. Not everything has a reason we can understand. Sometimes life doesn't follow logic. Sometimes existence doesn't explain itself. We think intelligence means control, but nature doesn't care about our theories. This penguin reminds us of something uncomfortable. Meaning is something human create, not something life promises. And maybe the scariest truth is some journeys are not meant to be understood, only witnessed, like this penguin. So the nature is just nature.